This is Mission Control Houston. The Expedition 30 crew is back at work on board the International Space Station after an off duty weekend. Back to more science work as they await the arrival of a new load of supplies that is due to arrive on Wednesday evening. On Saturday morning, the crew was ordered to shelter in place in their Soyuz vehicles during the closest approach of a piece of satellite debris. That debris passed safely by the International Space Station at 2:38 a.m. Houston time on Saturday morning. The first tracking of that hunk of Cosmos 2251 satellite debris came on Friday morning, which was too late to plan and execute a debris avoidance maneuver. This shelter in place was the third time that a space station crew has been ordered to move to their Soyuzes for a possible conjunction with debris. Today, Space Station Commander Dan Burbank and Flight Engineer Don Pettit started their day with the cardiovascular ultrasound experiment. That's a routine health monitoring situation. Burbank set up then the integrated cardiovascular monitoring equipment for later use, and he also prepared for some upcoming airlock filter maintenance. He later joined flight engineer Don Pettit and Andre Cowpers for an automated transfer vehicle transfer conference in advance of the European cargo ship's arrival later this week. Flight engineers Anton Shkaplerov and Anatoly Ivanishin worked on a Russian experiment which is testing out principles and methods for controlling leaks on a spacecraft. And they were also then moved to pick up work from Oleg Kononenko, who spent some time on Earth observation photography and also worked with Cowpers on ATV rendezvous and docking training. Cowpers and Kononenko will be the prime on board when the Eduardo Amaldi arrives on Wednesday. Cowpers also spent time today on maintenance of the water recovery system components and transferred some software to the agricultural camera. He also then spent time as a moving man, moving items out of the pressurized multi-purpose module. Don Pettit started his day installing new batteries in the 4 crew quarters that are located in node number 2, and spent time in his afternoon setting up hardware for operations with the experiment burning and suppression of solids. On Tuesday, there will be more maintenance than science for the station crew members as they continue to get ready for the arrival of a European cargo ship that is due Wednesday afternoon at 5:33 p.m. Houston time.